you're very welcome to this, our 8th video in our series on Unit 4 for Leaving Certificate Business. And in today's video, what we're going to look at is what financial rewards for employees in business and non-financial rewards for employees in a business. So firstly, what is the difference between financial and non-financial rewards for business? Well, finance is money. So basically, it's an employer gives an employee payment with money for the work they do. Whereas a non-financial reward is basically the same without the money. Okay, so it's a non-cash payment for the work done. So, can you think of any examples of financial rewards? Now, this is really just a throwback to junior cert business, to be honest. So, and the different methods of being paid. So, you've the time rate. This is basically when you're paid for the amount of hours you do. Okay, so you get a fixed amount paid per hour, and then you do your number of hours per week and get paid per hour. If you do more than the fixed number of hours a week, then you get paid an overtime rate, which is usually paid at a higher rate, such as double time or time and a half. Another way is piece rate. This is often what you see if for people working, say, for example, in agriculture and farming. Rates of payment given for employees for each unit or job each unit produced or job completed. The more units produced, the more employee earns. So say, for example, if you're a strawberry picker, you might be paid for every strawberry you pick, or if you're an apple picker, how every apple you pick even. You get what I mean. The bonus then, woohoo! A bonus is money paid to employees for reaching a certain target. For example, producing units above an agreed limit. So a bonus is a once-off payment for basically meeting an agreed target or exceeding expectations. Another financial reward is commission. Commission is often found in sales jobs. That's a financial reward where the payment is made according to the value of the amount sold. For example, payment to a salesperson of 10% of their sales, for example. The great thing about commission basically it motivates the employee to actually want to sell more because therefore they make more money. You'd often see that, say, for example, in car sales or, say, for example, electronics, selling electronic stuff. So, for example, Harvey Norman, for example, those type of shops might have it. And those are profit sharing schemes. This is where the organization's profits are paid to employees on an agreed basis. Scheme is usually administered and profits are paid to employees to motivate them to become more productive in the firm. Another one is employee share ownership scheme, where shares in the organisation are given to employees instead of cash bonuses, and this keeps the employee interested in the specific job and the success of the firm. Share option schemes give employees an option to buy shares in a company at a specified price sometime into the future. And now, folks, we're going to move on to non-financial rewards. So non-financial rewards, as a reminder, are the non-cash payments given to employees. And of course, throw back to junior cert places again, they're going to benefit in kind. These are like perks or fringe benefits, or another names to them. It's basically goods or services given to the employees rather than money. Usually it's stuff that the employee would usually have to pay for themselves, so the boss is going to pay for them. Often used to raise the status position in a firm or to boost morale. Examples would be, say, for example, meal vouchers, company cars, health insurance, subsidised meals, subsidised gym, free gym membership, free mobile phone bill paid for, etc., etc. Another example of a non-financial reward is a promotion. So moving to a more responsible senior level in the organisation. Usually these promotions carry a higher wage, but it's often the job title and the prestige with the bigger office and, maybe getting a personal assistant or extra staff under control. That's the real reward. And nice to go back to Maslow's Maslow's hierarchy needs and ticking the self-esteem needs box there. Moving on to the next one, number 3 is job satisfaction or job enrichment or job enlargement. All three very fancy ways of saying the same thing, where employees are rewarded because the job satisfies their social needs, i.e. teamwork, and self-actualization needs, i.e. the opportunity to do further study. The nature of the work or their vocation and the opportunities it presents, i.e. the travel, reward the employee, for example, a volunteer with a third world relief agency or charity. Okay. Next is Flexi Time. Flexi is in the word flexible time, so it allows the employees the freedom to choose the hours they work within an agreed time frame. For example, workers might have to be in the workplace between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. only, but they can choose their own start time and finish time, allowing employees to work from home and to organise their childcare arrangements more efficiently. Another example would be job sharing, for example. This is when two employees share a position. For example, two employees have a job split between them. So it's one job split between two employees that work half hours each, for example. This flexible approach to employment and recognise that employees may wish to prioritise leisure time over work time. And folks, that brings us to the end of the video, where you now know what financial rewards for employees in the business are and non-financial rewards for employees in business. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, why not leave a comment below, give the video a like, and please, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching, folks. See you in the next video. Bye.